Hi everyone, my name is Anisha Mohammed and I am the Technical Specialist here at Soft Solutions. Today I have an exciting solution to share with you that will allow you to achieve the best 3CX meeting experience. Every 3CX license comes with 3CX meeting included for free. 3CX meeting is a video conferencing solution, and we have been receiving many queries regarding what would be the best way to set up 3CX meeting in small to medium-sized business rooms with 3CX meeting as the primary solution. What is the solution, you may ask? We have discovered that the best solution for this would be to pair the 3CX meeting with the YealinK UVC40 soundbar and the YealinK BYOD device. Together this creates a meeting kit which will take your meetings to the next level. Continue watching this video to find out all about the solution, watch me reveal the contents of the packaging, and I will also show you how easy it is to set this up with plug and play. At the end of this video, I will also be demonstrating to you the audio and camera quality of the YealinK UVC40 soundbar. To start off with, I've already put the triple AA batteries into the remote, so that is ready to go. So that's remote, batteries are in. I will then take the BYOD device. So on the BYOD device you have two USB ports and one USB-C type port. So on the other end what you will find is the USB cable, as well as there is the USB-C type cable. Now the good thing about this is while you're in your meeting, if it is running long, this USB-C type cable will actually charge your laptop, so you don't need to bring an external charger with you. So this end will just go into your laptop's USB port. So I'll just plug that in. And the other end of the BYOD device is the HDMI port. So you will need your own HDMI cable which will be going to your TV. So just to grab our one, I will plug that in into this end. So that's the BYOD device. Now the next thing that we will do for the BYOD device is we will take the power source for it. You see you can, there's a little area here to clip it in. So if you just put it like this, you turn it and you slide, and nice and easy, that slides in. You will then take the USB-C to USB-C. One side will go into the power source. The next side will go into the BYOD device because that is what will charge this. So that's your BYOD device all plugged in. Next I will take the power cable for the YealinK UVC40 soundbar. You will take this thick part here and you will connect it right over here. It will go just over here. So if we have a look at the ports quickly on the soundbar, there is the one for the power cable, there is one for the B-type USB, there is the microphone port, there is the USB port, there is the line in port, and there is also a security lock port, as well as there is the reset option here. If we flip this around, you see there is a camera cover. So just a bit closer, there is the camera cover. Now this camera cover will open when it detects that you're in a video meeting, and the cover will close once the meeting is over. Or if you're in an audio meeting, the cover will stay closed to protect your privacy. So as you can also see that the design is actually quite nice and elegant. It will fit into any meeting room and will be the glow of the room. The 7-meter USB to USB type B cables, type B, that just goes into that blue port there. So just the blue port, and that's plugged in, USB type port, and this will go into the BYOD device. So this is what connects the BYOD device to your UVC40 soundbar. The next step now will just be to go ahead and plug in both the power cables and everything will be on. So I will now demonstrate to you the camera quality and audio quality of the YealinK UVC40 with the BYOD device. So as you can see up here, I have got the UVC40 soundbar set up there. You can see the camera cover is open and it's all connected and ready to go. Hi Megan, how are you?
I'm good, how are you, Anisha?
I'm good, thank you. So as you can see on the screen, I have Megan Twentyman, our brand manager, who will be assisting me in showing you the camera quality and audio quality today. So as you can see on screen, as I am speaking, the camera is zooming into my voice and it's catching onto my voice. And you can see that the camera is showing a full field view of the room because there is a 133 degrees super wide angle lens in there. So that means you can see the whole room and each and every individual is visible as well. And how is our quality for the camera from our side, Megan?
Fantastic, it's really clear and crisp, and I like the fact that it zooms in on you when I'm talking to you. And you know, the audio is really good. The only thing I would say is I really do feel that we're going to have to tell our team to clean the whiteboard, so we'll do some housekeeping while we make a video for everybody.
Don't worry, we'll get on to that one. And as you can hear, so as that lovely review by Megan, you can see from the end user side, everything is amazing, camera quality wise and sound quality wise. Also from our end as well, from the meeting room, I can hear Megan super clear. There is no background noise that I can hear, and it's just amazing quality video and audio, which will be a very good solution to pair with 3CX meeting to enhance your 3CX meetings. The YealinK UVC40 soundbar is compatible not only with 3CX Meeting, it is also compatible with other platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Skype, Cisco, and many more. If you would like to find out more about the solutions that I have discussed in this video, please reach out to us at voip@softsoul.co.nz. That is voip@softsoul.co.nz. Thank you.